earthquake has destroyed factories, schools, and residential buildings. It has also brought disaster to people. Emergency rescue and aid are needed in the disaster area. After the earthquake, our rescue center will bring the rescue equipment and relief supplies to the disaster area, using transportation means such as aircrafts and automobiles. The emergency rescue team will also set out for the disaster area immediately to conduct rescue operations. Before the rescue team reaches the disaster area, they must have a good idea of the situation on the ground as part of their preparations. Follow me, team. Momo, your task is to draw up a map of the disaster area.
Okay, I will first use a drone to capture images of the disaster. Now, operate the drone. Drag the setup position and locate your target. A picture is taken once you locate your target. Drag the setup position and locate your target. A picture is taken once you locate your target. Taken by the drone. They will form a complete map when placed together like a jigsaw puzzle. The map is ready! Awesome! Formed a map. It looks like the location marked by a red flag is closest to the epicenter of the earthquake, and the damage there is the most severe. We are now at the location marked by the blue flag. We will be able to reach the disaster area by moving along this road. Kiki, the map of the disaster area is ready.
Good job, Momo. Let us now set out with this map. Oh dear, there has been a landslide ahead. The rescue vehicle won't be able to get in there. Everybody, there is very little time to waste. Let us pick up the lighter rescue tools and run into the disaster area with it. Help me locate these rescue tools. Electric saw. Jack. Rescue boots. I want to bring these rescue tools with me. Cutting pliers. Rope. Folding stretcher. These are the rescue tools that I want to bring with. Crowbar. Tripod. Rock drill. Where are all these rescue tools? Medical kit. Oxygen tank. Protective mask. Good job. Let us set out for the disaster area right now. We will arrive at the heart of the disaster area once we pass through this tunnel. Remember to stay safe. Let us go. Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! Careful, you have to hop over the obstacle. Press here to run forward. An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost there. Keep going! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! An aftershock! Everybody, face down on the ground! We are almost past the tunnel. Good job so far. Quick, follow me into the disaster area. Awesome! You have finally completed the pre-rescue task. With all that effort, this is a bravery medal for you. Keep going! We are finally here at the heart of the disaster area, and our efforts are sorely needed here. Let us hurry and begin. School rescue. Rescue team, come help us. Ho-Ho's gone missing. Slow down a little, Miss May-May. What exactly happened to Ho-Ho? I had told the children to head to a safe place when the earthquake happened. However, I realized that Ho-Ho was missing, and I had only been able to find his hat. Please do not worry. The search dog has a very sensitive nose, and we will definitely be able to locate Ho-Ho. What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. Clear out the obstacles as quickly as you can. Is someone there? Is someone there? What has the search dog found? Bring the team over for a look. There seems to be something here. Is someone there? I'm over here. Are you Ho-Ho? I am Ho-Ho. Come save me, please.
Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. Are you hurt?
Oh, it's so dark in here, and I can't see anything. My leg hurts so much. Good boy, Ho-Ho. Hang in there for a little while more and don't cry. We are working to save you right now. First, we will have to open up a hole in the wall. Hand me a crowbar. Place the jack inside. Place the jack inside. Raise the jack a little. Oh no! A concrete block is in the way. Get ready to break it up. Don't be scared, Ho-Ho. We're on the way. First, wipe the face. Have some water, Ho-Ho.